Right shot. Alright. I'm pinned. I'm basically pinned. We need smoke. We need covering smoke. Can't see him. Right at my 12 o'clock, right there. He's behind the tree.
Behind the tree?
Behind the tree. Right where I'm shooting at.
I can't get covered now.
Yeah. I'm basically just spraying and praying right now. It's not doing me any good. What was that?
I'm coming to you.
Right, ready.
Is it clear, Carl?
Wait, I'll cover fire for you. 3, 2, 1. Come on, go! Go, good, good.
Oh, just oh.
Is the red light still flashing, Christopher?
No,
Huh?
no.
Not on the camera.
No, it's okay. It's alright.
You look like you're fogging up.
I'm fogging up like a shepherd. They were flanking us. We got a couple of kills from that side.
There's a guy managed to get right behind us. I think he's dead.
They're out of mag. There's someone on BBQ. What is it? Oh, what a battle.
Poke your head up and hope for oh shit. I don't see anything.
Hold on. Oh shit, cut it.
What's going on? I don't see.
Oh, there's someone there, far there, I can't. Shit, I don't know if it's there away, but it's not far enough.
Straight on it. Look at the gap. Look. I can't see it. I just see fog.
You see that now? We need to just defend this area. That's all.
Well, we seem to be doing fine, even though we're pinned down at the moment.
When they're coming, it's just, as I say, we're coming as they're flanking us, but we've got that covered. There's no one saying it, and we just stay just here and cover this area. Someone has the cover, so I don't know who's there.
Straight there, look.
There's a kid running around from this corner, so I've got that covered.
How's the scope doing, by the way? Did you get anyone?
I think I got 1 or 2, I don't know.
You got 1 or 2? Nice, not bad.
You hit? Oh yeah,
who's that by the Land Rover?
Are they friendlies at the Land Rover?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the code again?
Red!
Red!
Fucking shoot him!
No response. Take him out, guys.
I don't know.
Unless you can make that range. Can you make that shot?
They're on the wrong side of the cover to be our team.
I'm just saying, we just stand here and hold the ground here. If they fire back, then we fire back, that's all. Oh, okay, I'll get near something. Oh. You're gonna fire. I'm telling you, you're gonna fire. I'm gonna fire back at you. I'm telling you, you just, come on. Come on. I don't know who you know. Okay, that's gun. Oh, hit. Car, hold it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Good.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Not the right side.
They're trying to sit there. I'm trying to get the over there. Come on, trying to.
Where are you shooting at?
Yeah, no, they're coming from that side, but I don't know. I can't get a good position now. I don't know. Bullet came inside there. I don't know if it was directed, but I think it's answering to me.
When they're taking out the armored vehicles?
Huh?
When, I guess after this game.
I don't know where. I can't see anything. God, you just cover this side there. If they're coming in closer here, they're gonna get this. God, you got any spare mags?
No. How about, what about you?
I've got a couple in this one here.
Is that your last one?
No.
You got a couple there?
Yeah.
I've lost one mag, but I'm using this one. So I just refilled this one just like not that long ago.
I've got a spare one just for case emergency.
Alright.
I'm just saying, put this one there. Got the one I want there. Okay, I don't know. I can't. Hold on. I can't see. Yellow, okay.
Roger.
Roger that.
We're taking fire.
God, the thing goes. Shoo! I can't see from this side. It's just dark there and everything.
Who's that guy?
Oh, don't this side. They're coming, they're going. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, my legs are aching right now, but I'm standing in this posture for a while.
Tony, shit has got what? Shit,
He's poking his head out. He's poking his head out.
Don't tell me about this flat. Don't tell me about this flat.
What do you mean flat? Try fire.
Yeah, flat. From fire.
Oh shit. Ask if you have like there's a spare one.
No, my best. Damn it. Damn it. That's what I need.
Oh shit. I got a spare one if you want to check quickly fit that in.
No, Carl. Damn it. Oh. Gee, that's what I hate about this window battery. Oh. Okay, I'm taking out.
Hold on. Use mine. I'll spot.
Huh?
Quickly use mine. I'll spot. I'll use a scope to spot.
Can't see.
Nice.
Can you see?
All change positions. Hold on.
Go down. Just cover this side. Are they flanking us, Carl?
2 seconds. I'll go back this side.
11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. There's a guy 200 yards out. Division, but just wants coming up to the 2 line. Okay. Moving up to 4 lines over.
Mag. I'll look through the scope.
I'm just coming up with pictures in here. Shit.
It's Marshall.
Yeah.
I think it's the Marshall.
Okay, I think. Hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look a flank. Go back.
I'm basically out.
Go back. Go back. Can't believe that's my besties.